Hey guys, it's me, Janet. Welcome to Janet's DIY Life. We have a project, and I will put a picture in up here of the creeper we're going to put together. We're going to do a how-to. I will be showing you guys how to put this thing together. Hopefully I don't miss any parts. I don't think so. You got one sheet in there. That's all you get. This is your instruction sheet. So we're going to go through, do step by step. So stay tuned and let me get everything unpacked and we will go through that. Okay, hi guys. I'm going to show you a picture and I will put any additional information about this creeper down in the description box along with a link to the particular one that I'm going to be showing you how to put together today. That will also be listed in the description box. At any time that you need to pause and rewind, please do. If you need to go back and check and double check your work, or if you're following along and putting it together, hit the pause and then come back and we'll go step by step and get this thing put together. This is the 330-pound creeper. This also, it folds up into a seat. I know this says 450 pounds, but it does. So we're going to put this together today. This is the instruction sheet. It's a creeper and creeper seat 2-in-1. That's what it's called right there. And that's about all the words that you're getting here. This is what it's going to look like when we're finished. Hopefully. We're going to start off in this box here. Oh, sorry about that. In box A, we're going to go over your parts. I have already opened up the parts here and have them laid out. You need to double check and make sure you have all of your parts before you get started. You're going to have 4 of these. And they're calling that one, the first one I showed you, they are calling E. They're calling this one F. Then we have 4 of G. That's threaded. And then we have H, I, and J are tools. This is going to be your tools. This one has the Phillips bit at the end and then the Allen wrench. And then your 2 other screws that you'll have left, I will show you where those go. You have a short one and a longer one. You also will have your 3 parts. It's actually in 4 parts, but it's 3. This is part A. This one was part B. Once you get it put together, you've got to put this on here. And the only written instructions that were on here is the placement of this. There is a wood board inside here, and it says it cannot go above this line. Meaning that when you flip it over here, you're going to line up the holes, put your screws in there, that it doesn't come over this, so it doesn't get broke. And then the last part is the bigger one, and it is C. It has, and I don't know what the proper names of all of these pieces and parts are, but I can put it together. This would be your release. I'm sure that's, so yours should have that too. So I would say the first, so we've gone over A. We've gone over this box A. Let's go on to box B. And it shows you a couple of different steps here. The one that it doesn't, I would say go ahead and put the screws into this. So your small one, your two oddball ones here, you want to go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and put them in there. Unless I tell you otherwise in the video, I would say yes. Just go ahead and put those together, because it shows it together in the rest of the instructions. It shows it already together. And you want to use your little tool with the Phillips bit on the end and put the small one at the top. And the plastic pieces in there, they are threaded. So you just want to put them in there. I wouldn't tuck them down all the way until you get both of them in there. Okay, time to go on to this box B. You're going to need part B and part C. You're going to need two of these. Let's go on to C. You're going to need your tools again. And we're going to need this. And this time it shows it upside down. Face down. Or the top part down. Okay. Now you got these parts here. These bolts put in here. We're going to move on to C. We need part A and then the two that we've already put together. Let me show you. We're going to need this piece. Here's this piece. This piece here. The squared end, open end. These are going to go in and line up these holes. There's holes here, right here, into this here and here. crap out right here. This is taking forever because it just, you hold on to one and then the other one slips off.
Take this.
It's a pain in that.
Put it under here. Lift this up. Put the wrench on here and just spin this one.
I can't hold it on there. Once I get it on here and I start doing this,
okay,
then I just...
Now once you get that, now just leave this one on and spin it around completely.
It'll pop off. That's what I've been doing. I don't think these have to be tightened all the way.
I wouldn't tighten them all the way. I'd tighten them pretty good. Or pretty close or something.
Like those down there are not tightened at all. A little bit, but not much. Because it's taking freaking forever to do this. But I've got to think about it. It's going to have to move. You don't want it tight.
No, I wouldn't put it tight. I would get...
Yeah, I'm not...
Put it where it's like halfway tight.
It's a pain in the butt. So if you've got better tools, use them. And I'm sure if you've got a creeper, if you're buying a creeper, then you've got better tools than this. Okay, now that you've got those tightened up, we're going to have it laying down flat with the back side up, because now it's time for the wheels. Now it's time for the wheels. So let's see what we're going to need. I know we're going to need these last four things. These are going to be pretty simple to do. I say that like I know. So it's going to be these pieces here. They're going to be going in where there aren't any. There are some already down at the other end. We're going to place it. What can you see? You can see everything. Awesome. Okay. So it's going to be in like that. I'm going to put it in that hole. And then we're going to screw in this wheel. And I say that like it's going to be easy. Like that right there. And there you go. You got that one in? Alright, I'm going to do the other ones and I'll be back. Can I help? Can I help? Can I help? Okay, get your wheels on. Let's test this thing out. That's pretty cool. Alright. So let's see what it can do. Okay, you gotta release this. Right? Up like this. And like this. And we have a seat. How cool is that? That is pretty flipping cool. There you go. Any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Yep, this thing rolls around pretty daggone good.